I had just come back from having spent about 5 or 6 years in Asia. And when I came back to Portland, Portland felt kind of sleepy. And we kept sort of saying, well, somebody should. Until finally one day we realized we were talking to the somebodies who should.
So one of the things that the Oregon entrepreneurial and tech community didn't have when the organization got started was strong ties internationally. When we first started forming the organization, we had a pretty serious and spirited debate. What is it that we do that can be complementary to the work of all these other organizations? That's why our opening mantra was serving the 6 billion. Suddenly the world was 6 times as big as most of us had, as a practical matter, experienced during our careers. And what we were looking at was the whole new way of thinking about business that said, how do you welcome and how do you serve the people who have never been part of the global market? As with any startup, one of the most important decision is the personnel decision. And the decision to hire Anu Khera as our first executive director was absolutely the right one.
When we first started out, we were only like 4 or 5 of us, literally, and we started this. Basically, I was working out of my office at home, and there was nobody else other than me doing the day-to-day operations of TiE Oregon.
And we were very lucky to have Lakshmi Jagannathan join in as the second executive director.
The main reason I joined was the ability, 2 things primarily. One was the ability to give back to the community, and the other one was, this is one of the few organizations where I could just interact with my peers without feeling that I was being sold to.
2007, 2008 was an interesting year because we experienced grave economic issues. And you know, when there is adversity like this, usually a lot of creativity happens and people were looking to start companies, had ideas. And so I became an advocate of funding.
So when we were thinking about what TiE would bring to the community overall, it was tabula rasa. It was a blank slate. We had the ability to be able to go in a variety of different directions. And it's been interesting to see how things have grown and just the great programs that have developed out of it over the past 10 years. We have our TiE group, which is just doing amazing things. And while a lot of organizations have mentorship program, there's been a greater desire, I think, on the part of charter members in particular, but others in the TiE community, to really get in and mentor in a way that's much more hands-on. The way the TiE Angel Group has grown, it's just been amazing.
Honestly, it was my sort of first fresh look at this global network of entrepreneurs and angels, and Nitin was a fantastic ambassador for it.
I can say that TiE Angels made a huge impact on our company, not only from the investment perspective, but the community perspective. It allowed me to join a group, a community of investors, to integrate into the investment community a little easier.
When I pitched RFPIO, I think Tom Kingsley saw the value that product is offering, and and he said there is something going on here.
The experience with TiE Oregon has helped me to learn from those that have been there before me. People that are able to advise on what works and what doesn't, and have a very different perspective that helps fuel us towards success.
We started getting visibility within the TiE network as being the best angel group, because not only were we investing very actively, we were also getting liquidity. We also have expertise. So a company like Hemix Health didn't just get money, didn't raise the $600,000 in less than a week from TiE Global Network. Hemix also got 2 board members from TiE Silicon Valley, got a network of charter members that are helping Hemix Health, start their operation in India.
So for Hemix House, TiE Oregon really was the bridge to many other opportunities. And it really started with our investment from TiE Oregon. We were able to present to the TiE Global Angels Alliance and receive not only funding, but again, additional contacts. TiE Oregon can really be the bridge to the rest of the world.
We never really thought about where we would be. We just were in the moment and we just wanted to do good. And we were just little people in a little town that did little things, but we did them really well. And look where we've gone and the impact that we've had by just being really focused on one and only one thing, which is how do we help an entrepreneur become successful by giving back.
I think I'd like to congratulate everybody involved in the formation of TiE Oregon.
Happy 10th anniversary, TiE.
Here's to many more decades.
Just so much pride I feel in everything that everybody has accomplished in this organization over the last 10 years.
TiE has accomplished a lot in the past 10 years, and this is just the beginning.
Congratulations, TiE. Happy birthday. A decade, 10 laps around the sun. That's pretty good. I hope the next 10 bring this spaceship into a whole new frontier.